Well, I'm here with Julian Arosa, who just got his 9th win, 9-0 tonight at the Cage Quest Cage Sport card. Here at the Oakland Casino. You did a great job tonight. What was your game plan going into it?
Well, I knew the dude was a submission artist, so I had to keep it standing. And there's a few times I knocked him to the ground, but I just brought it back up because I knew that's where I was going to shine. So keep it standing and go for the knockout. And it fell in my hands this time, so got lucky.
You have great takedown defense. He tried to take you down a couple times. One time he grabbed for you and grabbed nothing but thin air. Do you work that a lot, or is it just good footwork?
That is like my #1 thing is my wrestling defense. I got good jiu-jitsu, I got good stand-up, but I always get matched up with wrestlers. So wrestling defense is my #1 that I've been working on. So he did get me down one time, but after that I knew he wasn't gonna.
Were you just Were you just waiting for that right hand? Because you had that sweet jab, just perfect placement, perfect spacing, and then just when it was there, you threw that big right.
Well, the thing about it is that my right hand is really not my knockout punch. My left hand's more my knockout punch. But both of them, I've been working my regular stance and my southpaw stance, so both of them have become my power hands and my MB, and they're both super quick now. So I was just swinging away and hoping it was going to catch him, so it did, so that's good.
You did an amazing job. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you guys, I appreciate it.
Anyone to thank?
Rich, Julie Garrett, Yakima MMA, Chaz Jordan, everybody from Yakima MMA, Richard Foster, all my friends and family, and Clenchmouth, Custom Guards, he's my sponsor, so thanks to everybody that's on there. Thanks to you guys.
Thank you.